This is the new California Air Tools 2010A for aluminum air compressor. It's 1 horsepower, supposed to be about 60 decibels, and so far it is extremely quiet. I'll go ahead and turn this on. So it's now filling up. As you can hear, I'm talking normally. Very easy to hear still. Come over closer to the intake, and that's where most of the noise is coming from. And as you can see, it fills up quite fast. It takes about 45 seconds to get all the way up to 120 psi. And that is it. Got my airbrush hooked up to it. And the regulator set to about 25 psi. Takes about 1.5 minutes to empty it down to where the motor kicks back on. And that's about 85 psi before it re-engages, and it takes about 15 seconds to recover. That's it. So far, so good. Like my air compressor.